Hello, Rebecca.
Good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Awesome. You're in a different location today. So weird.
Yeah, I can see behind you a whiteboard.
Usually it's full of all kinds of writing because I'm in
Yeah.
medical school. And this is the only way I study is I draw everything. So at some point you'll probably see some crazy drawings back there.
Yeah. Also, I changed my decoration
I see
because yeah. So I use my ring light to focus on my face.
I was going to ask you, I was like, either he is sitting directly in front of the sun or he has a light because your face is way too bright. It is not.
No. Here in my country, in Iraq, it's almost midnight, like 11 o'clock.
It's too late. Oh my gosh. And you're still just smiley and awake.
Yeah, because we used to stay up late for 2 or 3 a.m.
Oh, no, thank you.
It's normal habit.
9 p.m. and I am asleep.
Wow. I wish I could sleep at 9, at 8, but I don't know, maybe when I was a kid, yeah, my mom used to tell me go to your bed at 9, and I did what he said.
You know, when I was little, I remember when I had a specific bedtime. Oh my gosh, it made me so mad and I hated it. I wanted to stay up so late. And now that I'm an adult, I'm just so grateful to go to sleep at night. Like, earlier the better. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah.
How these things change when you get old.
Yeah, all the habits when you are old, it's changed when you get when you are young. Yeah, I forget. It's changed when you get old.
So true. Oh my gosh. Now, like for example, taking naps. How do you feel about taking naps? Like during the day, taking a nap.
Yeah, I took a nap for an hour. Yeah, today.
Oh. I love it so much.
Yeah,
so,
but do you know how I took a nap? Because I drank a glass of yogurt, and this is why I took a nap. I don't know, but there is something magic on yogurt. Make me sleep immediately after finish the glass.
Sounds like a personal problem. This doesn't happen to me. I have to drink tea. When I drink tea, I get very, very sleepy.
Yeah, it's kind of weird as well.
Same thing, exactly. I was 2 days ago or 3 days ago, I was sitting on my phone and I was watching all of your YouTube videos because I didn't know at first, I didn't know that you had a YouTube channel. So I was sitting and I was watching all of them and I was like, all right, good job. I like it.
Yeah, but also I told before I made a reservation maybe 2 months ago. Like I have a YouTube video. I have a YouTube channel.
You probably, I'm sure you did.
Yeah.
People ask me this every single day. And sometimes we don't have a reservation after, or sometimes I forget about this. So I never know. I might be on YouTube everywhere and I just don't know because I forget how many people ask me. But I found our video and I was like, oh my gosh, it's me. It's him.
Yeah. Also, I knew you from Marcelo's video because he's very close. He's very close to me.
Really? Oh my gosh! So you guys are in contact. You know each other.
Yeah. And if you take a look on my channel, you will see the last video. We were practicing our English there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! What the heck? That's amazing. I love Marcelo. He's so amazing.
Yeah.
I love talking to him. Of course.
Yeah.
But I love Marcelo. I will have to look at this video sometime.
Thank you. Yeah, Marcelo, he's a creative person. Like when he's stuck on something, he knows how to through this situation, like matters sometimes. Like we say, "Hello, I am in this situation," and he explain.
Yes, I'm always so impressed when I have a lesson with him because he always has something to say. Always. He doesn't come to class and like, oh, I don't know what to say. No. Marcelo, he always says, I have a question for you, or I have something to tell you. I love it. He always has things to talk about.
Yeah. You know. Sometimes I call my tutor and I don't have any topic to discuss. I think this is the worst thing in the world that when I call my tutor.
I totally understand. I usually try to prepare as well a little bit. Like if I don't have something, I will have something. But usually I am pretty good at small talk. Small talk is very, very important in the US. You have to be good at small talk in the US. So I'm pretty good at small talk in general. So if we don't have anything to talk about, I got you. Don't worry.
Yeah, sometimes my tutor asks me about, random question about my country. And sometimes I stuck like, I don't know this information. So, wow, it's a shame that this is my country. And I can't.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Because sometimes they ask me about the geography or the population in my country. So these things are changed all the time.
Of course. I was talking to someone the other day about they lived in Brazil, and they were talking about all of these cultural differences in Brazil and all of these really cool things that Brazilians do. And they asked me, what about you in the US? What are some things that you do? And I was like,
you got me.
I was like, we are really boring because there's nothing that I can think of that we do in the US. I don't know. The US is boring.
Yeah, and if you focus on this question, if that person can more specific about something, like direct a question about something, like ask me, what do you want to know about my country?
Right.
So not just like speak in general. So I have many things about my country. What do you want to know?
Exactly. Be specific. The country.
Yeah. I'm not a scientist that I know everything, or my brain. Not a computer that I can memorize all these things.
Yeah, exactly. I'm the same way. I know so much about my state, but all the other states, I'm like, I don't know anything about any of the other states in the US, so don't ask me because I don't know. I know the name of the state, and that's all. I don't know anything else.
Yeah, exactly. Do you know? Our last sessions, it's about my wife Instagram hacking, and I got many recommendations from American persons that they never know that I'm practice my English. They thought I need help. So they recommend me names on Instagram. And they gave me like names from social media to help me, and I replied to them, "Yeah, thank you so much."
But it all got fixed, right? Everything was fixed.
Yeah, thank God. Otherwise, she would kill me.
But it's fixed. That's what matters. Listen, recently, speaking of Instagram, I had to delete my Instagram because, oh my gosh, it is so distracting. Instagram, so distracting. I'm trying to do school. I'm trying to focus on my life, and I just keep getting on Instagram. I had to delete it. It was taking up too much time in my life.
Yeah. All the social media, I guess, like took from us much time.
Unless
Much time or many time?
much. You are correct.
Much time.
Much
Yeah,
time
much
or
time.
a lot of time. I think
A lot of time.
I think it'd be better to say a lot of time. That sounds more natural.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, there you go. But yeah.
So I have a question for you.
Ready.
Can you give me like I'm always like expose myself to learn more words. It has the same meaning. Okay, like I'm always ask Google, give me another way to say this word. And as a result, there are many words, and this is I think a good way to improve my. Okay, I will use the new word that I got in a few days. Enhanced, like enhanced. I can replace it with improve.
Yes.
Okay, because so many people here in Cambly or many videos, I saw them speak like they said, I want to improve my English. So everybody says, and I am saying I want to improve my English.
Yes.
So can you give me like at least 3 or 4 words?
Yes.
It gives the same meaning of improve?
Yes, I can. Okay, so like you said, enhance is definitely one of them. That would probably be the best one. All right. Upgrade.
Upgrade. Okay.
Now that has 2 meanings because we can say upgrade or upgrade your work. Or of course with the modern meanings, with all of our technology,
it's upgrading. It's normal in technology.
Exactly. But upgrade would be a similar meaning to improve. Oh, you said enhance, right?
Enhanced,
okay. Okay. Refine.
Refine, yeah.
Yes.
That's more specific, and it give me like refine. It give me more exciting.
Yes. This is like to make just perfect, like to totally perfect something. Is
refine, yeah.
Oh gosh, let me think.
This is a 3.
I know.
Can I say like develop, or it's so far away from our topic?
No, you can say that. Develop. Usually when you say develop, like if I told you I need to develop my Arabic, I don't speak Arabic, so I'm starting literally with nothing and I'm developing it. If you already speak some English, I wouldn't say that because you already speak some and you need to get better. But you don't need to start from square one or start from the bottom and work up. If you are just learning something, then I would say that.
So I promise you, I will teach you Arabic. In return, you will teach me English.
Listen.
So we have 1 minute left. I will give you a greeting in Arabic, like Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. What'd you say?
Yeah. Your French is very good. Like it's a traditional greeting in Arab country.
So would it be appropriate if I greeted you this way, or is it a greeting that only natives use with each other?
No, all the native Arabic speaker, they say Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, so
you can say marhaba.
Marhaba. Okay, cool. I will try.
I think I think this is easier from Assalamu alaikum.
I agree with you. I like this one, marhaba. I'm gonna keep this. I like it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Now I know.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.